What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to delete a playlist on SoundCloud. Now I am on my mobile iPhone here, but if you're on the desktop SoundCloud or any other device, this is going to work in the exact same process. It is not limited to iPhone. And this is super nice if you have a bunch of playlists and you kind of want to get rid of them and clear up your SoundCloud just a little bit so it's a little bit more clear to navigate through songs. So what you're going to do is obviously head over to the playlist you want to delete. I'm just going to hit the bottom in the bottom left corner here, take it to my profile, and then click playlists and albums. And you can see all my playlists here. And you're just going to scroll down to the one that you want to delete. I have this really old one from a concert I was going to that I'm ready to delete because I never really listened to it anymore. And you can see the little three dots that are kind of in the middle right of your screen right now, where it shows the tracks and the time. It is in parallel with that. It's the three little icons, middle of the screen, the one all the way to the right, the three little dots. You're going to click on that. And you can now see all the way at the bottom there, well, not all the way, don't hit cancel. The one all the way at the bottom of the menu itself is delete playlist, and it's pretty clear and straightforward right there. Just hit the delete playlist button, and then what you're going to do is it's just going to confirm that you want to delete the playlist. Obviously, just delete it, and now you can see that that playlist is nowhere to be found. Do beware, though, there is no way to undo this feature. There's no recently deleted playlist folder or anything, so once you do delete it, it is gone, and it's kind of a casual process, so be sure to not accidentally do that. But that is all I have for today's video. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. But if you did have any questions or were confused at all on how to do this, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.